We'll start in the west. In the west, we have 3 territories in the north and west. The first one is the Yukon Territory. Yukon, Y-U-K-O-N. We abbreviate it Y-U. The next is the Northwest Territory, which is directly east of the Yukon Territory. And as we go a little more east, we have the Nunavut, named for some native people there. What ocean is this? What ocean is this? Pacific, the Pacific Ocean. And the provinces, let's do the 10 provinces. We have the 3 territories, now let's do the 10 provinces. British Columbia. And the spellings you have below here. Let me go back just a second and say we had Yukon, Northwest Territory, and Nunavut. British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, Ontario, closer to Ontario Lake, which is here, the smallest lake, Ontario. The largest lake, Superior, is here, Superior. We have Lake Michigan, because it goes down south, close to Michigan, which is a state in the United States. As we know, the United States borders Canada to its south. Superior, the largest lake. And Erie is here. Lake Erie. Okay, so Ontario. Quebec. 2 pronunciations are possible, Quebec or Quebec. The French, I think, say Quebec, but we say Quebec. Okay. And New Brunswick is this one here. These are the Maritime Provinces. Maritime, which means something to do with the sea, maritime. So we have New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. And together, these two that are seem separated to me, together, these two make up what's called Newfoundland and Labrador. Newfoundland and Labrador. I think this one's Newfoundland and Labrador. Well, they abbreviate it NF and LB. And together those are one province. Right? And Prince Edward Island is this little tiny island right here. Prince Edward Island. Okay? Some capitals, some cities that are very important that you need to know. And I'm not sure if you maybe should know all the capitals of all the provinces, but we'll try. So Victoria is here. Obviously named after Queen Victoria. Edmonton is in Alberta. It's the capital of Alberta. I'm not going to write it out, but I'll write out some of the most important ones. Regina is the capital of Saskatchewan. Winnipeg is a pretty important city in Manitoba. I think it's E, No, it's probably I. Winnipeg. Winnipeg. W-I-N-N-I. Ontario for sure. Toronto. Very multicultural city right on the border. And so you can find it on this map. Because Ontario actually goes down into here like this. And somewhere in here you'll find the city of Toronto. Okay. Ottawa, the capital of Canada, is in Ontario as well. It's here. Ottawa. I think it's TT. I don't remember. Ottawa. Yeah, Ottawa. Ottawa. It's like an Indian name. A lot of Indian names. Nunavut. Okay. Quebec, we have Quebec City. It actually is called Quebec also, but they call it Quebec City. Same spelling as the province Quebec. Very important city. Has a French Quarter that looks like Europe. You would think you're in Europe if you go there. You wouldn't know any different. Okay. Halifax, Nova Scotia. Halifax. Pardon me. Halifax.